Mars once had a vast northern ocean, as scientists find evidence of ancient shorelines. The study adds evidence to the case for a northern paleo-ocean, which was first proposed based on surface features found on Mars that are consistent with former shorelines. And how many more shorelines did it have, I'd like to know. And what was in those oceans? And this is a NASA image. Mars had an extensive northern shore ocean, which at some point in the past, a groundbreaking analysis of the red planet's gravitational field has suggested. The work was undertaken by geophysicist Professor Gunther Kletecka of the University of Alaska Fairbanks and the Czech Republic's Charles University and his colleagues. It combined gravity measurements with topographical data of the red planet collected by NASA's Mars Global Surveyor between November 1996 and January 2001 to map out an average ancient shoreline on Mars. And according to the team's new map, water may have flowed into the Paleo-ocean via the Valles Marineris crater, the vast canyons on Mars' surface that are surpassed in length in the solar system only in the middle ocean ridge system of Earth. Kletecka said that a lot of people are excited about water on Mars because there may be life forms that once existed on Mars or maybe exist today in some bacterial form. Conventional gravity analysis tend to focus on so-called gravitational anomalies, areas where the gravitational force is greater or weaker than average as a result of features of the planet's surface. Mountains, for example, cause gravity anomalies because they represent areas on the planet where there are higher concentrations of mass. In contrast, ocean bases and trenches cause gravitational anomalies because they have lower concentrations of mass in other areas of planetary surface. The new study, meanwhile, uses gravity aspects, mathematical products, and characterize the anomalies, which the team say can provide complete information with a better insight into the celestial body. Kletecka explained that we can use this gravity approach to look for water on Mars because we have done it already on Earth. In an area of northern Africa, for example, this gravity approach found a shoreline of a long-gone lake. Its finding was consistent with the archaeological evidence indicating a shoreline of that lake. The team's past research has also suggested that an ancient lake once existed where today lies part of Great Egyptian Sand Sea, the region of the Sahara between western Egypt and eastern Libya. So that was all ocean at one point. The findings of the study were published in the journal Icarus. The gravity aspect technique has also been used to compare geographic features on Earth with those of our other planetary next-door neighbor, the cloud-shrouded planet Venus. The results of that study were described in a paper published in the journal Scientific Reports back in July of this year. This is on Express UK by Ian Randall. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support.